How you all doing? Today is day 8, our Learn English Challenge. I'm really so excited. Today is February 13 while I'm filming this video, and these days it was a little bit ups and downs, but hopefully we're still improving, showing up, and my English speaking really getting better so much. And yeah, I'm so excited, and really all thanks to you guys, those who give me beautiful compliment, those who write down me the comment, beautiful comment. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're just speaking English and practicing our speaking English. So yeah, if you're watching this video, please hit the like button as well. Yeah, give me thumbs up and learn English with me. This video is all about learn English with me. If you are English learner and you want to improve your English speaking, this channel is for you. And this video, I want to make a video every single day while I'm speaking in front of the camera and improving my speaking. I did one challenge like 1 month, like 3 month challenge, and I completed that challenge and I improved a lot because I level up my English A2 level to B1 level, B1 or B2 level, yeah, B2 level, and that's huge. It's just 3 months and I already level up my English from A2 to B2 level. This is amazing. So if this challenge, I mean that this challenge just day 8, and I want to speak English like every day, speaking in front of the camera next 100 days. 100 days is not easy. It's a lot, quite a lot. And hopefully I feel like I can improve my English, like I can level up my English from right now. My English level is just B1, B2 level. So maybe I can level up my English about C1. And if I really keep doing this challenge, hopefully like just keep doing this challenge. Like, so sometimes when I start to learn English from A2 level to B2, like A2 from B2 level, it was not that challenging really, because I don't know, it was kind of normal. I was improving so much. But these days when I become B2 level or B1 level, I feel a little bit stuck because the word is so different. The word is not easy that the beginner one is like when you're a beginner or like just B1 level, A2 level, like the word is what you're using all is kind of easy. But when it comes to B2 level, it's kind of be stuck. It's be hard to improve and level up English from B2 level to C1 level. So hopefully it's gonna be normal and we're gonna keep doing that. Everything is about dedication. Everything's about like showing up, keep doing it step by step. Small action is counts, always just watching your phone while you're watching a video that a person is speaking English. If you're learning the language, any language you learn, if you're learning other languages, while you're watching a person that speaking the language you want to learn, is big, big, a significant win. Like it's like you're learning, you're improving. The most my English improvement comes from watching my phone. Like when I'm watching YouTube videos, English TV shows, I watch all that, and like I learn many words and I learn for many things from TV shows and that things I watching people who speaking English, content that, yeah. So watching your phone, and that when you're watching your phone, you can watch entertainment, you can watch other video, you can watch vlogs. For me, my favorite things that I watch the most is vlogs, people who make adventure videos that speak in English, visit places, all that stuff. So that's how I improve my English. And also you do, if you're watching your phone and watching that in English, don't think you're just wasting your time. You're not wasting your time, you're still improving. So just if you like to watch movies, watch the movies. If you like watch vlogs, funny things, shows, do it, all of that, but do it in English. Don't just watch your native language. That's what the most people, they want to learn English and improve, but they want to watch their own language. You don't have any resources, you're not living a country that speak English. So the one advantage you have it is your phone. So if you still watching your people like speaking your native language, you cannot able to speak or learn that native the foreign language. So you always, when you're learning language, you need to watch people who speak that language, because you don't have anybody to talk with. You leave your country, you don't speak you don't have anybody to speak the language you're learning. And if you still keep watching in native language, and when you're watching entertainment, when you're watching movie, all if you still watching on your own language, it's kind of really hard to level up your English. It's a bit challenging, like when you are a beginner and you don't understand the English. It's kind of challenging to watch movies or watch entertainment that you like, and you've been watching your native language for a while. It's kind of hard to change. So, but it takes over time. Always just try to step up. Maybe try to watch entertainment you like, what you like. Watch in English, maybe 10 minutes. A second day, 15 minutes. 30 day, 20 minutes. Just one step. First day starts for 1 minute, and then just keep doing it. Level up, and you see yourself while you totally okay with watching that something that someone was hard to you first place. So you guys, yeah, that's our video today. We're just building our speaking, and hopefully we just like really speaking so much while you're learning language. If you use the language so much and speak, you can level up your English quickly. So always try to speak the language. Don't just wait until you memorize words. Don't just wait until you learn grammar. Don't wait. Just wait. Just start. Even if the way you say it is incorrect, it's just normal. Mistakes are just normal. So just try to speak as much as possible. Just speak. If you say how are you, repeat that how are you over all the day. They just learn, you improve it, and don't shy about mistakes. Everybody makes mistake. Right now I level my English from B1 level, and right now I do the mistakes I was made when I was beginner. I still make the same mistakes because I don't know grammar. I didn't learn grammar so far, so still, yeah. But people understand me. My grammar is a bit shaky, but still, people understand me when I speak in English. But you may see a lot of a lot of mistakes in this video. Of course, you're gonna see that obviously. But the most thing that people who don't make mistakes, that people who scared of making mistakes, they don't achieve nothing because they wanna be perfect. If like whatever they do, and they wanna be perfect, and does not make sense. If you want to learn, you need to make mistakes on purpose, and you learn from it. That I make that mistake today, I don't want to make again. I learned that something. Just learn from that mistakes, but do mistakes. Keep doing the mistakes. Normal. You're a learner, and you need to do mistakes. So guys, I love you all. In this video, that's all we're going to wrap about this video, and hopefully we're gonna keep doing. I'm gonna make more video as much as possible. And you need to watch, guys, my video. Hit the like button. Yeah, it's a bit rude. You need to watch my video, but yeah, thank you very much, guys. If you can watch my video, please watch it and finish the video. If you a bit feel boring, hit the like button before you leave. Yeah, that is give me some compliment at the comment. I'm not seeing compliment, but like just write down comment something, like just say how are you, Chan. Like just say something. Yeah, just write down comment anything about in your mind, and maybe you can practice today. Maybe tell us what you learned so far, and we're going to practice speak and speak until we become fluent. So have a go on your